3. Honey brought one box of 50 apples for rupees 400. He sold all the apples at the rate of rupees 10 each. Was there a profit or a loss? What was it percentage? So here in the question, it is given that he brought 50 apples for rupees 400, but he sold each apple at rupees 10. So first we have to find whether it is a profit or a loss, and then if it is a profit, then we have to find the profit percentage, and if it is a loss, we have to find the loss percentage. So first we will find the selling price of 50 apple, because here the selling price of one apple is given. So we have to find the selling price of 50 apples. Cost price of 50 apple is given rupees 400, and selling price of one apple is given rupees 10, because it is said that each. So therefore selling price of 50 apples is equal to, here we will use unitary method. If we know the price of one apple, and to find the price of more than one apple, we will use unitary method, and here we will use the operation of multiplication. If one is given and to find more than one, we will use the operation of multiplication, and if more than one is given and to find the value of 1, we will use the operation of division. We have learned this in unitary method. So here we will use multiplication. 10 into 50, that is rupees 500. So since the selling price is more than the cost price, he made a profit, and we will find the profit by using the formula selling price minus cost price. Substitute the value rupees 500 minus rupees 400, which is equal to rupees 100. So he made a profit of rupees 100. Now we have to find the profit percentage. We will use the same method as above. Let Hanif make a profit of X%. We have to find the value of X. So we will compare the profit to the cost price. X% means the profit is X on a CP of rupees 100. So for profit of X, the CP is 100 rupees, and this is equal to, for a cost price of rupees 400, the profit is 100. So this is equal to 100 upon cost price is 400. Now multiply both sides by 100. into 100. This to get cancel out. X is equal to 100 by 4. Therefore X is equal to 25%. So therefore Hanif made a profit of 25%. So in this question, we first find the selling price of 50 apples, and then we compare the selling price and the cost price. So we get to know that it is a profit, and then we find the profit percentage by comparing the profit and the cost price. So X% means the profit is rupees X on a CP of rupees 100. So the first ratio is X upon 100, and for the given question, the cost price is rupees 400 and the profit we calculated is rupees 100. So we compare both the ratio, that is X upon 100 is equal to 100 upon 400, and then we multiply both sides by 100, and this is done to find the value of X. So we need to eliminate 100 on the left hand side. So we get X is equal to 25%. So that means he made a profit of rupees 25%.